Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I made a video this morning how to make this Jesus fish. I'm waiting for another video to load, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to try out the clone tool. So if you have an arch and you go to edit and you clone it, and then you mirror it, that's kind of how we started out this morning. But so now we got a clone curve and the control curve. And if we take the shape tool, because if you don't want your Jesus fish to be perfectly symmetrical, see what it's doing? It's moving both lines at the same time equally. So it's making a perfect copy. This might even look more like a Jesus fish than the one I had picked. So let's take both those lines. Let's go to just make it half an inch. Whoop, that's too much for little as it is. Let's make it 1/4 of an inch. Say that's good. I always like to go into no fill. Well, it's a line. I forgot we need to go to object. Let's break the two objects apart, but then let's go and convert the outline, the object to an outline, and then left click, right click, and then weld it and see what happens. We still got that same problem we had this morning, but easily fixed. Like we did this morning, just take your, you could actually just use the 2-point line, just go from that node to that node and that node to that node, because we can fix that. Really we want to go from this node to this node, don't we? Yes. And then take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And now you have a completely looking Jesus fish. Be kind of your own. Now, just like we did this morning, we got a little bit of a sharp edge there. Let's left click, right click. See how this is just a little bit sharp. Just take your shape tool, grab just those two nodes and hit delete. Now you've got a more symmetrical, and you could go through here and change, delete some other nodes, the ones you don't need, and just see what happens. And there you have a completely looking, your own brand, your own style, religious or Jesus fish. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.